Hello, my name is Ashley, and today we will be reviewing the registration feature of the Who-Fi service. We heard from public libraries about the need to allow patrons to register for events libraries were providing to their communities. They let us know that this was important to allow libraries to better prepare for spatial capacities and to ensure proper supply amounts, such as crafts or food for their events. This also would allow libraries to send out reminders of the events beforehand to increase the likelihood of the patrons' attendance. Let's take a quick look at how registration works. Patrons would find the event that they are interested in on the library's website and fill out the available registration form that was custom set by the library's organizer. Once registered, patrons will receive a confirmation email if they have provided an email in the registration form, as well as event details to refer to in the future. Patrons will also receive a similar email as a reminder email about the event 24 hours before it starts. In your whofi.com account, under Community Calendar, you will find an option called Registration, and it will take you to this menu for all of your events that have a form assigned to the event. Internally, the library will be able to see the list of patrons registered here when you click on View List. Many library partners wanted to have the ability to print this list to use when checking in people for the programs. So here you will find a quick download button to accomplish this goal and download it for printing and attendance tracking purposes. They can also view and manage the waitlist from this menu using this edit button here. The library can also view all events availability in one place for staff who register for patrons at the library's front desk in person or on the phone. When you first visit the registration section of your Who-Fi account, you'll find this pop-up message. In order for the Who-Fi system to email your patrons on your behalf, libraries asked for the emails to come from the library, not from Who-Fi. We ask for you to provide a general library email address for all email confirmations and event reminders to be sent from. This also ensures that any replies to those emails get sent back to your library. Simply add which email you'd like us to use, and then we'll send you a verification email shortly. To turn on registration for an event, it's simple. All you have to do is assign a registration form for your patrons to fill out on your website. When you're here in your calendar, when you are making an event, there is a More button for you to select. In here, you'll have the option for registration, and the drop-down will show you your forms that you have added. The default registration form is a form that we have added to all library accounts for simplification of the registration process. When you select a form here, such as the default registration form, you'll have a couple of more fields pop up. You'll have the option to tell us how many available seats you have for this event, your total capacity, and you also have the option to schedule when your registration form will begin and when your registration cutoff form is to end. Once you hit save, your registration form will automatically go live if you do not select a scheduling option. These are not required, just optional. Your registration forms are reusable across events, and you are always welcome to add additional forms here in your registration menu. Select on Add Form, and here you can give it a form name and a form description. These are both internal and not something that your patrons would find on your website. You can also decide which fields will show on your website and which ones are required for your form to be submitted. And then you can hit Add, and the form will become available as a drop-down option when you're creating your event. We know that libraries have multiple programming staff members in charge of different events, or sometimes the library will co-host an event with a local organization, such as the local firemen. We wanted to make it simple for patrons to be able to contact the organizer to help save the library some time. Here, when you're creating your events, you can assign the organizer of the event, and it will appear immediately on your website as well when you hit save. The organizer's contact information will show over here in the bottom right for your patrons to reach out to should they have any questions regarding accessibility or anything else that they want to ask. In order to add an organizer to that drop-down menu, here in your registration menu, you can click on Add Organizer, and this is where you can add the organizer's name, email, and phone number if you wish. None of them are required. Fill out what you would like. Organizers are available for reusing across multiple events. And adding organizers is independent of registration. You do not have to use registration in order to assign an organizer and vice versa. Thanks for taking the time to learn more about the WhoFi registration feature. Please contact us at support@whofi.com if you have any questions or need help getting started. We look forward to hearing your thoughts and feedback on the product. Have a great day.
Hello, my name is John Kerber and I'm one of the co-founders of WhoFi. If you found this video helpful and you'd like to see other instructional videos about how to use WhoFi at your library or community center, then please click the like and subscribe buttons. This really helps other people know that these videos are useful and also so that you'll be notified when a new video is released. Thanks for watching and have a great day.